Okay, let me try again. Hey all, welcome to the TechOtaku on the Asterisk channel. So today we're gonna be fixing my Vivo V21 that has two problems. First of all is the scratch lens. I already mentioned in the video on the main channel that the camera lens are way scratched than I thought, but it surprisingly take clear photos. And yeah, I could live with that, but what I couldn't live is this, and it just happens like a week or so ago, and the power button is now much harder to press. I think it's hard to use a phone with a hard power button, with the hard feeling power button. Huh? You know what I mean? That's why I decided to buy a new power button and of course the new camera lens. Let me unwrap the puzzle here, and it's all wrapped with the bubble wrap. Let me go ahead and unwrap this and box this. And there it is. A new camera lens for Vivo V21. What? Wait a minute. It doesn't come with the tape? It doesn't! Oh my god. Here is the new button for Vivo V21. It says V21 5G, but I'll see if it fits on the 4G version. Let me go ahead and remove the glass back, which is much simpler said than done. You need to be very gentle because glass is glass and glass can break. Oh, there we go. This is way easier than I thought. And there goes my tape. Okay, enough with the tape confuffle. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small screwdriver. And I'm not sure which one I grab are magnetic or something. This is way smaller than I thought. This is more like it. And a lot of people are gonna cry about it that I did not use a phone mat to place the phone here, but the glass is way scratched like hell. That's why I don't wanna place it onto the soft surface. The only screws that matters are those that hold the frame in place. And now all the screws are out. It's time to grab a pry tool, which is not a pry tool, it's a card, but the clips are much easier to pull it out. And I don't want to damage the tape that I just applied. And I've seen a lot of people crying about it, that I hold the macro lens with my thumb. That might smudge the camera lens. You guys are correct, but I simply don't care about the macro lens, so cry about it. And I forgot about the SIM card tray, so that's the step one that you really should have done. There we go. Yep, the frame snapped. Check this out. Ooh, probably gonna need a new frame soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the phone to a side and focus on this. And let me go ahead and grab a tweezers and take the button out. This is way trickier than I expected. Oh, what if I use a SIM ejector tool? That's simple, that's much simpler. Wait, how is it so stuck to it? Volume buttons are easier to pull it out, and I'm not sure what's up with the volume buttons. Okay, there we go. Look at this old button. The rubber down there is literally disintegrating. Holy heck. Alright, the new part is out and the button is not textured, unlike the old one, the original part. Not sure what's up with Vivo, or was it the third-party stuff? Is the button plastic this time?
Yes.
I have no idea, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and install it anyway to see if it actually works. So I did put the tape onto the power button and I'm gonna take the tape off. Much better. And now it's time to install the button. Here's what the old button looks like. And here is the new button. it might be a little bit different, but we'll try. So to align it, it should be like this.
Thousands of tears later.
Yeah, but this needs to be tucked into the groove. Hope it doesn't snap. Okay. Now the last thing left is the power button on the side. This is gonna be hard to tuck it in. My god, this is... Ah! Whew. Yay! The V21 5G part is working on the 4G version.
Yatta!
And look at the gold accents. Ain't she pretty? Anyway, time to reassemble. Let me make sure it's fully in. And let me go ahead and test it out. It's working! It's working! Yep, it's functional. So I'm gonna throw the old button away and screw it back in. Screw it back into the place. And now the next thing to tackle is the camera lens. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and replace it. So that leads me to this. Go ahead and pull out the lens frame and probably gonna reply that later. So actually I'm gonna pull out the carbon fiber thing that I covered up the macro lens earlier. Probably need some heat. No heat required, but you definitely need a heat to make it easier. Oh, there we go. That lens frame needs some cleaning. So that's why I bring up the alcohol swab. Oh, should I say alcohol wipe? Much better. So I went ahead and put this foam thingamabob here to replace the carbon fiber piece thing. Hopefully that should align. And I'm gonna go ahead and peel this thing off and then oh, there we go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install the new camera lens. Line that up. That fits a little shallower than the original one did, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the adhesive for the camera lens surround and the back glass. So yeah, I'll be right back.
One operation later.
Alright, everything is back together and I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the protective film, which I already did earlier. And oh my god, I just realized that the new lens is misaligned. Well, it's doable. So let me check if the camera works, and it does. Ultra wide works, and the macro lens I already blocked it off, so yeah, it's blocked, so it's not a major loss. I think that's about it for the Vivo V21 repair that I did here. And yeah, so yeah.